Hello all, welcome to Techno. In the series of Python programming. Today we are going to look into a very interesting topic of Python, that is regular expressions. So for regular expressions, today we are going to look into match function and search function. So first we'll look into match function and then we'll look into search function. So I've combined a single program for both of them to make you understand. So now what match does is match will match the content of the string that you want to match from the substring from the substring you want to match from the entire string in the beginning of the sentence. Like if I say that this channel is Techno and the substring that I want to search is Techno, then match function will return no match because in the starting of the string there is no Techno. Whereas in search function will search for the entire string and it will find the substring that you need. So if I write that this channel is Techno, and if I want to search Techno, then it will show me the result like that. Okay, and they are all used with group by function or group function. So while we are calling match or search, we'll use dot group function. Okay, so let's just see. I have a very simple program over here. For that, first I have imported regular expression library, that is RE. So import RE, and then I have taken a variable called line, which is a string variable, and we have an entire string over here, that is cats are smarter than dogs. Okay, so this is an example over here. Now we are taking match object and then re dot match. So match function we are using, and then we are using here r is for which substring that we want to match. For that regular expression we want to match, for that we use r over here. So r, then in single inverted commas you write the substring that you want to search or match. So that is dogs, that I had written dogs, and then from where you want to search, that is from line I want to search, and then what are the regular expression modifiers we use. So here modifier is re.m and re.I. So m is used to match at the end of the line, and it matches till like from the start of any line to the end of any line, and I is for case insensitive, that is for dogs. If over here I'm writing dogs, then whether I'm writing dogs in capital or dogs in small, it will give me match if it's there in the match function, if it satisfies the match function. Now I'm writing if match object, and the match object is object that we have created. If it matches, then it will show me where it is matching, so match, and where it is matching, and if it's not matching, then it will show me no match. Now with that combined, I have used search object so that you can see over here the same line that we are using, and we are searching for dogs. The same thing here, as we are matching for dogs, we are searching for dogs, and then where we are matching, then it is in line, and the same modifiers that I have used. Search, wherever match was there, we'll be using search. So if match object dot group, then your search object dot group, and if it's nothing is found, like dogs are not there only in the line, then it will show me nothing found. So let's just see the output, and I'll just tell you a brief about it later while we see the output. So see, what I want to say is that if I'm using capital or small dogs, it doesn't matter whenever using re.I. And then other thing is that if I'm using a sentence where dogs is not there only, then it will show me no match, nothing found. Okay, so it will not, if the entire string doesn't contain the word dogs, then it will show me no string also, like no substring found. Okay, so here for match, as dogs is not there in the beginning of the line, so it will show me no match. But here in search, as you can see, that search will search for the entire string. Search will search in the entire string for the substring. We have dogs, cats are smarter than dogs, so dogs are actually present in the line, so it will show me the result. Okay, now let's just remove dogs and see. Like cats are smarter than, let's put rats. So here right now we don't have the word dogs in the entire string. So now when we run this, of course it will show us, for match object it will show us no match, and for search object also it will show us nothing found. Why? Because the string dogs is not there, sorry, the substring dogs is not there in the entire string line. Now let's do one thing. We'll write over here, dogs are smarter than rats. So now what do you think will be the output? Okay, so output according to me will be match object dot group, and then it will be dogs, and search object dot search group dogs. Okay, so let's just run and see. Both will show the output. Why? Because in the beginning we put dogs. Let's just see the output. Output may take a time when you are using ID. One thing to note over here is, while we were like here, I'll just show you. I'll just minimize this a bit. See over here, when we are matching, we are using D in small letter, but here we have used D in capital, like uppercase. So what still it's showing us the result. Why? Because we are using re.I. If you are not using this, then we'll not get the result, because then it will be case sensitive. Right now it is case insensitive. So this is how you use match and search functions of regular expression. So this was the first part of regular expression. We'll be seeing multiple functions that we'll be using for regular expressions. They're very much useful in many applications of Python. So stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.